My name's Kevin, KJ's Moto, and this is my Suzuki TL1000R. It's a 2002 model. Originally it was the yellow version with a black stripe that faded into the silver and then that other section of silver down the back. But unfortunately it was accident damaged, and the owner at the time bought Chinese fairings and it looked really bad. So my friend who I bought the bike off last year got new parts from the wreckers, but they're all different colours, so the bike just ended up white with a black tail. Now since then I've been able to get 2001 decals. 2002 nothing's available, so this is what I've ended up with. But the black and silver is not going to really work well with the white base colour there, so I was able to get locally new ones made up, scanned with new colours and blended in all in one decal, and it's come up beautifully. Well, I think so anyway. What do you think? Now if you like what I'm been doing with the TLR, please subscribe and follow along as we continue the build. It's going well for sure. And we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks guys, see ya.